Hi, my name is Nick Lewis, and this is Extra About Life. Today my dad and his friend Glenn and I rode up the Ashley River from Rangiora. Yes, we have done this ride last week, but this time we're going up the Okuku River instead. Today we managed to get quite far, altogether we rode around 60 kilometres. I hope you enjoy the footage. We're now on the dirt road going up the Okuku River as we get no further on the river bridge. The road led to a lovely swimming hole where we could cool off in the 30-degree heat.
Oh, I think the battery's flat. I just stopped. No, I can't do that. No, I'm not going to.
As you can see, this guy had made a rookie mistake and got his four-wheel drive stuck. Luckily, some other four-wheel drive stopped by and winched the SUV out. So that's all for this video. This again was an interesting ride, as we have not done this particular ride before. We're going to Lake Tekapo tomorrow, so look out for some more videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.